Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that with any vehicle purchase you make, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your very own chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show. We have this gorgeous 2017 Ram 1500 SLT Crew Cab 4x4 that was just recently traded in to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find the legendary 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it is shown in the gorgeous granite crystal metallic color. This also features the 3.92 rear axle ratio, and as we head around to the wheels, those are 20-inch aluminum wheels. This has been fully safetied and inspected. It's only had one previous owner and has a clean CARFAX. It has a ton to offer on the inside. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. Wheels are in great condition and fog lights down below. You also have signal light indicators on the mirrors, which is a great safety feature, and then a beautiful two-tone interior brush metal and chrome accenting. Your mirrors are powered, heated, and power folding. You also have power locks and windows, of course, and plenty of storage in the door. Cup holders as well. Mats and carpets are in excellent condition. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support, and you get a beautiful premium cloth throughout. Your front seats are heated, as well as your leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have cruise control, including shifting options to your right. Over to your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection, and then behind the steering wheel you have audio-mounted controls allowing you to change the station source and volume, all while keeping your hands safely where they need to be. Fully automatic headlights and a tilt option on the steering wheel. 48,868 kilometers on this currently. And then you do have a large menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. To the right, you have your ignition area. Nice clean dash, RAM detailing up top with a bit of extra storage, and into your UCONNECT system AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options. And then for your media, you can connect through USB auxiliary and Bluetooth. Again, heated seat and steering wheel options, and you also have access to your backup camera. It does come on automatically in reverse, but it is nice to have that option. An app screen, dual zone climate controls, so both your driver and passenger can be equally comfortable. You can sync them, or you have an auto feature as well. You can turn the screen off, and there's a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone. So everything is right at your fingertips. Down below that, you have the manual buttons for your climate and media, your trailer brake control, tow haul traction control, an AC outlet to the right, and a 12-volt outlet in the middle center area here. And then you have two cup holders, the top shallow space in your console that holds all of your media ports, and then down below you have lots of additional space. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything's in excellent condition. Lots of legroom, glove compartment down below, additional space above, illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, your rear sliding window, and interior cabin lighting. As we head into the back, the door opens nice and wide. Lots of storage in the door, tons of space back here, lots of legroom, storage behind the seats, a 12-volt outlet in the middle, one long carpeted runner, keeping everything in excellent condition. Underneath, you do have storage on both sides, and on both sides you also have these panels that fold out and secure, so you can get a nice flat traveling surface, and underneath you have bins beneath the feet. As we head into the back bed, you do have that rear sliding window, a tonneau cover on here already, a bed liner, keeping everything in excellent condition, tie-down hooks in the four corners, and it's illuminated. And then to close the tailgate properly, to get that proper seal, you can just open up the back end of it. You don't actually have to put it all the way over, but I only have one hand. And then it just clips into place. Everything's nice and sealed. So overall, as you can see, that was just a very quick tour. This is a beautiful truck with a ton to offer. If you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.